Citing the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision, credit risk is most simply defined as the potential that a bank borrower or counterparty will fail to meet its obligations in accordance with agreed terms. And they also add that the effective management of credit risk is a critical component of a comprehensive approach to risk management and essential to the long-term success of any banking organization. Having this very general definition in mind, let's try to be a little more specific. In the very nice book of McNeil and Friends, we can read, "Credit risk is the risk of a loss arising from the failure of a counterparty to honor its contractual obligations. This subsumes both default risk and downgrade risk."